Hello great friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel and welcome to this brand new video where I want us to learn how to record a video with the screen off. Using your phone, you can record a video when the screen is off. But before we continue with this video, kindly, if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, subscribe, share our content, like, and leave a comment. Now, to take a video with your phone while the screen is off, use this method. Just with your phone, you go to Play Store, you open your Play Store, then you have to install this app known as a screen off. It is known as a black screen, the video screen off. This one on Play Store. So you have to install it. As you can see how I'm doing it. You tap install. Installing. Then after installing the app, you have to open it. Then when you open it, you have to allow it to display over other apps. This is by pressing OK, like that. Then you allow it to run over other apps by turning it on. Then on this part, you have to enable the black screen by toggling these parts to on, like that. Then you go back to taking off video. You can go back to your phone as normally as you do when taking video. You can see these parts, this one. Then when taking a video, you just normally open your camera, your phone camera. I'm taking a video. When taking a video and you want to lock the screen, you just tap on the lock like that, and still the video will continue to be recorded. As you can see, the video is still being recorded. To unlock, you tap there. As you can see, the video was being recorded as the screen was off. If you have enjoyed our video, our tutorial video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the bell for notification for you to be notified anytime we post a brand new video. Bye.